Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse or slow down your video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then here you can record new video, or you can also upload video from your gallery. If you want to record new video, you can use this button. Okay, you can use the TikTok camera to record your video. And if you want to upload video from your gallery, you can select this option. And for example, I'm just going to select video from my gallery. I'm going to choose the video guys. Wait. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go with this video. I'm going to reverse or slow down this video. Okay, click on next. And to reverse video, we need to go to the effect menu on TikTok. You can click on the symbol. This is for the effect menu. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the time category. Okay, and here you'll be able to reverse your video, repeat it, or slow down your video. And I'm going to try to reverse it. Okay, as you can see guys, that my video has been reversed, and my video is playing backward, as you can see. And then I'm going to try the slow motion as well. Okay, this is for the slow motion. If you want to create slow motion video, you can use this effect, and I'm going to show you this one as well. This is for the repeat effect, and I'm going to reverse it. Okay, and then you can click on save after you're done selecting the effect for your video, and you can continue the editing by clicking on this menu. Oh, the entering edit will remove time warp effect, so you cannot edit this video, but you can edit the video right here. You cannot go to the editing menu, but you can edit your video right here. You can add tags and then add sticker, and it's up to you. You can edit the video according to your need. And okay guys, that's all the way to reverse or slow down video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.